Hello friends, welcome to Finance Institute. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancy released by Delhi Development Authority. So let's start the video. Friends, Delhi Development Authority, that is DDA, has released the vacancy. The online application for the same will start from 3rd June 2023 and last date of submission of application is 2nd July 2023. So almost 1 month is given for you to fill up this vacancy form, and online examination will be held in August and September month, and the second stage will be subsequently mentioned by them. So now let's talk about which vacancies are released by them. Before that, they have mentioned that you can fill up the application by visiting website of the DDA. If you see at serial number 1, there is a vacancy for assistant accounts officer. It's a group B vacancy, level 8 pay scale, and your pay band in the range of 9,300 to 34,800, and grade pay is 4,800. Friends, here your age should not exceed 30 years as on the closing date of online application. So by 2nd July 2023 you should not exceed 30 years, then only you are eligible. Here the qualification asked is either a chartered accountant, company secretary, or coastal management accountant, or MBA finance or equivalent. Here they have specifically mentioned that MCOM will not be considered as an equivalent qualification. So my MCOM friends are not eligible. Do keep this in mind. You have to have another qualification apart from MCOM. Now the total vacancies are 51. So it's a massive opening. Here for unreserved category there are 23 vacancies and rest are all for reserved category candidates. There are certain reservations for reserved category candidate. You can check these conditions in detail. I will provide the notification link in the description. Age limit, as I already mentioned, that it should be as on the closing date of receipt of online application. So that is by 2nd July you have to be 30 years or less, then only eligible. And for date of birth certificate, your metric 10th pass certificate will be considered. Now application fee and all, friends, you have to make an application fee of ₹100 to apply for this post, and women candidate and candidate belongs to SC, ST, PWBD and ex-servicemen are exempt from making an application fee. So only unreserved category and OBC category candidate are required to make an application fee. How to apply? As I already mentioned, you have to visit the DDA website, and under that jobs, select jobs category and direct recruitment section. There you have to make an application. Everything is mentioned in detail in notifications. You can check that in detail. Examination centers. Examination will be held in Delhi NCR, and if there are large number of applications received, then they can hold exam in other cities also, but mostly it will be held in Delhi NCR. So apply considering that only. Now scheme of examination, how your selection will take place. So for assistant accounts officer, it will be single stage computer based test followed by interview of shortlisted candidate. Here you will be provided 2 hours to answer 120 questions of 120 marks. It will be of objective type. Here you will be questioned from respective discipline, that is your technical knowledge, as well as from your non-technical topics also, like reasoning, quantitative aptitude, general awareness, English, etc. So based on that, candidate will be shortlisted for interview. Here your majority of the questions will be from your respective discipline. Friends, weightage of computer based marks will be 85% and interview will have 15% mark. And one important point, that selected candidate asked to furnish a surety bond of ₹2 lakh to serve company at least for 3 years, and in this 3 years your probation of 2 years is already included and 1 year regular service. So likewise for 3 years you have to make a surety bond to serve the company. And one important announcement here, that for the postcode 1, that is for assistant accounts officer, the appointed candidate have to qualify the exam in subject requiring knowledge of departmental functioning like FRSR, civil accounts code, public works accounts within a period of 2 years. So within 2 years you have to qualify this exam, otherwise you will not be eligible for annual increment and also for the promotion of the next post. So once you are selected, then within 2 years you have to clear this examination. And there is a help desk for guidance of candidate. In case you are facing any difficulty, then you can contact them at the mentioned phone number to resolving your doubt. E-admit card will be issued 3 days prior to the date of commencement of examination. So it's very neck to neck situation. So within 3 days you have to download your admit card and sit for the examination. So do keep an eye on your email. Now the syllabus is also mentioned by them. That's really a good thing. For assistant accounts officer, as I already mentioned, it will be in two part. Part one will be your technical syllabus based on your respective discipline. So it will be from financial accounting, cost management and taxation. So basically three subjects are covered under financial management. Basic concept of accounting like single entry, double entry, accounting concept, convention, bank record, journal, ledger, trial balance. All the basic topics are covered here. Then bills of exchange, depreciation accounting, valuation of inventory, then adjustment and closing entry of profit and loss and balance sheet, accounts of not profit organization, then accounts of incomplete records, royalty and lease payments, branch accounting and department accounting, then concept of interim reporting, segment reporting and CSR, accounting for joint ventures and analysis of financial statement. In that basically ratio analysis, common size statement, comparative statement, trend analysis, fund flow statement, cash flow statements, etc. Then introduction of accounting standards and uniform format of accounts for central autonomous bodies prescribed by government of India. So that these are all topics from financial accounts. Then from cost management, basically your costing subject here, cost accounting concept, prime cost, material, labor, direct expense, overhead costing, then books of accounts in cost accounting records, reconciliation of costing and financial accounting, job, batch and contract costing, process costing, operating costing, etc. And the major one, marginal costing, standard costing, capital budgeting and discounted cash flow techniques. And third one is taxation. So here basically they are covering income tax. Everything is covered in the income tax. Then ICDS you also need to prepare. Then GST, constitutional provisions, levy and collection, place, time and value of supply, then input tax credit and miscellaneous topics such as audit and auditing standards, government budgeting and budget management, then knowledge of IT and MS Office, etc. is also covered. So all this will be in your part 1, and part 2 will consist of a non-technical syllabus. Here the questions from reasoning, quantitative aptitude, general awareness and English will come. So that won't be that much difficult. So syllabus is manageable, it's not that difficult. We at Finance MCQ will help you to prepare your part 1 of the syllabus. So friends, it's really a good opportunity for all my CA, CMA, CS and MBA finance friends. If you are meeting the eligibility criteria, you should definitely give it a try. There are total 51 vacancies, so there are chances that you can be selected provided you prepare sufficiently for the examination. So do give it a try if you are meeting the eligibility criteria, and also share with your friends and family whom you think that this vacancy might be useful. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.